Taste, taste. Ito yung ating meatballs with gravy. Try natin. Tastes good, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Of course, yung ating mashed potato. Pero try natin with lingon berry. This just tastes good, guys. Perfect. Mm. Mm. Perfect, guys.